The Panama Canal is undoubtedly one of the America's more famous landmarks. It is a symbol of both man's ingenuity and his dominance over nature. Overlooking the canal is Canopy Tower, a landmark of a decidedly different nature. From the observation deck at Canopy Tower, Panama City lies in the background. Visitors here are focused not on man's creations, but rather on the natural world. From their comfortable perch atop the canopy, observers enjoy a unique perspective on the tropical forest and its diverse wildlife. Here's Victor Emanuel.
When Raul Arias created the Canopy Tower, he created one of the wonders of the birding world and put Panama on the map for birders and naturalists in a way it had never been before. I'm proud of the fact that Victor Emanuel Nature Tours brought the first group to open the Canopy Tower in 1999. And every year we bring more groups of birders and naturalists to the Canopy Tower than any other organization. And everyone we bring to the Canopy Tower is delighted with the experience, with the food, the accommodations, the service, the personnel, and most of all, with the marvelous birding and wildlife experiences. There's the view from the tower itself, looking out over the forest of the Soberania National Park, and the birds you see from the tower. These may include such wonderful birds as motmots, toucans, and puffbirds. Dick Walton is going to be our guide to show us around this lovely facility in Panama.
Visitors to Canopy Tower can look forward to good company and comfortable quarters. Even the birds show up for meals. And there is a bounty of food for both the body and for the mind. Off the central hallway, a variety of rooms provide all the necessities. Naturalists, however, will soon turn their gaze outwards. Each day's activity typically begins with sunrise on the observation deck. Here, the soft dawn light is punctuated by the calls of local howler monkey troops. Shortly, however, our guides draw our attention to the birds. We are literally on top of the birds, and our perspective offers extraordinary views. Chestnut-mandible toucans are regular visitors. Palm tanagers nest at your feet. As a slaty-tailed trogon looks for her mate, a collared aracari as a morning snack. At ground level, we get another perspective on this magnificent rainforest. Here, canopy inhabitants build their homes. Cecropias open like parasols above our heads. Vines twist in and out of the lush green foliage. A young howler settles in for a nap, while palm fruit and butterflies splash their colors against the shadows.
This is the Semaphore Hill Road. You can get, on a good morning, you can get about 40 to 50 species, including red-capped manakins, wood creepers, dragons, motmots, and sometimes you can get ant swarms. Bicolor amber, ocellated amber, those are the obligate followers. So if we happen to see one of those, then we can expect some army ants.
Birds follow the ants, and our oohs and ahs follow the bird.
Wow.
Just as Jose predicted, the ocellated antbirds are on hand. And here's the spotted antbird.
Beautiful bird. Look at this bird. No, it's not. I think it's...
Down the road a ways, broad-billed motmots call back and forth. And there's our first puffbird, tucked away in the leaves. Near the bottom of the hill, a pair of purple-throated fruit crows are preparing to nest. Although we have just scratched the surface here, it's time to go exploring. With Carlos in charge, birders and photographers load up for a field trip. A 20-minute ride along the canal takes us northwest through Gamboa. Our destination is Pipeline Road. The well-graded road provides access to both tropical forest and numerous creeks and rivers. Anticipation runs high along this famous road. Troops of howler monkeys are a feature along Pipeline. Daily, these fascinating primates follow foraging trails through the canopy. It's always tempting to linger and enjoy the howler antics, but bird calls distract us, and we are rewarded with a posing black-breasted puffbird. A dot-winged ant wren hunts for insects just above our heads. White-tailed trogons perch less than 10 feet away. And this magnificent forest offers other sights as well. Breathtaking blossoms, brightly colored dragonflies, and butterflies by the score. In fact, all along this part of the canal, the naturalist will find productive habitats to explore. The Emo Dump Pond, as well as a series of wetlands along the banks of the Chagres River, are good places to start. You'll likely find striated herons and purple gallinules. The old Gamboa Road has its share of surprises as well, like this sloth and a cecropia. Stunning passion flowers and vibrant buttercups. Blue-chested and a dozen other species of hummingbirds are common. Keep an eye out for squirrel cuckoo posing in the shrubs. And with a bit of luck, you'll find the spectacled owl at its daytime roost. It's time now for you too to plan an adventure to fabulous Panama.